Hello, good evening, class. How are you all? Fine? Yes, thank you. I'm also fine. Okay. So, what was the last topic we learned? Hmm? Yeah, you remember because there was a huge gap, right? So, what was the last topic we learned? Tell me quickly, if you remember, if you can quickly remember. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, it was a data handling. Yes, yes, yes. We learn about graphs, we learn about the mean, median, mode, and all those things. Yes, I hope you have practiced some questions on that. Yes. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, okay, dear students. So for today, we are going to start with a very, very, very important topic, which is comparing quantities. Okay, which topic we are going to start today? Comparing quantities. Okay, so this is a very important and I must say a very interesting topic. It was one of my favorite topic in school, really. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So yeah, you know that this is the topic, and if you can see the textbook, it is all about MSc, the percentage, the ratios, the profit and loss. Yeah, so we can say that it's a combination of what all things you have learned in your previous grades. Yeah. So I'll quickly share my screen and show you what all things we will be covering today. Okay. Perfect. Just let me know if you can see my screen quickly. Hmm? Yeah. Okay, so this is comparing quantities, and you can see that the weightage for this is 7 marks. Okay, so this is your exam weightage. Yeah, okay, so this is a really very, very, very important topic, and I must say it's very interesting also. It is very interesting also that all most of the problems will be the word problems over here. What you'll be getting the word problems. Yeah, you'll be getting some statements and you have to summarize it. You have to take out the given data. You have to apply the proper formulas, proper conversion, proper rules, and then you have to solve. Okay, perfect. So let's see what are the topics we will be covering today. So first of all, as I said, it is a mixture of ratio, percentage, profit, loss, so many things. So first of all, we are going to recall some of the points such as what are ratios, percentages, their interconversions. How can you convert a ratio from a percentage from a ratio? Yes. Okay. And we are also going to find the increase or decrease in percentage and discounts. Yeah. So if percentage comes, discounts are somewhat associated with that. Yes or no? So we are going to see that you might have went through the questions like if a price, if there is a price, it is $5 and it increases to $10. So what is the percent increase? You know that it is increasing by $5. You know that this is increasing in dollars. It is increasing by how much? It is increasing by $5. Yes, I know that, but they ask us what is the percentage increase. Okay, so how to do that? We will be discussing that also. Yes, so you can consider that for today we will be just recalling about ratios percentage. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's see about the ratios and percentage. Okay. So how can you consider a ratio? How can you convert that ratio into percentage? So students, quickly tell me, if percentage words come to you, what is the very first thing comes in your mind? Yeah. Yes, it is 100%. So everywhere you have to see that whenever you want to convert something, you have to consider it 100 as a base. Yeah. So whatever you are going to do, you will be doing it considering 100%. Okay. In terms of 100%. And ratio, you know, ratio is something like A upon B, a numerator upon denominator. You already know that. Yes. So for that, I have a very interesting video for you. So let me just quickly show you the video. Yes. Okay. Great. Yeah. So 1 minute, just 1 minute. Hmm. Yeah. So what about your other subjects? How are they all going? Yes. Are they going fine? I hope they are going fine. Hmm. Great, great, great students. Yes. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, so here is the video. Yeah. Yeah, so I will just share my screen. Yeah, so I've pasted it in my YouTube. So let me share my YouTube screen with you. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, dear students. So this is the part where we can see that they have converted the percentage into ratio. So it is very simple for converting the percentage into ratio. What we have to do, I have already told you that when percentage thing comes in front of you, it should be 100. Yeah. So for removing the 100%, what we have to do, we have to divide it by 100 and then simply remove the common factors and get a ratio. Yes. Okay, students, I think you have understood that how you can convert a ratio into a percentage. Okay. Okay, perfect. So let me just share my screen with you again. Yeah. So first of all, we'll do one example. Oh, wait. We will do one example where you can convert a ratio into a percentage. Yeah. No, we'll first look how you can convert a percentage into a ratio, and then we'll do the vice versa part. Okay. So, so the first, oh, wait, just a moment. I don't know why this is happening. Just give me one moment. Yes. Okay, students, now I'm sharing my screen with you again. I don't know, there was a glitch, some glitch in my PowerPoint in my slides, I guess. Okay, now just let me know if you can see my screen clearly. I hope it's clearly visible. Yes. Okay, great. So the first problem, oh my God. Yeah. Okay. So let's see the first one. I have to consider 50%. Okay. So I have to convert 50% to a ratio. So how I'm going to do that? As I've already told that for 50%, you have to remove 50 and divide it by 100. So it's simple. The ratio is 1 is to 2. Yes. Now suppose you have a ratio 5 by 20 and you have to convert this ratio into a percentage. You have to convert this ratio into a percentage. So for the percentage into ratio, you were dividing it by 100. So converting this ratio into percentage is nothing but getting the percentage. So you remember that when like before, now you have grade system, but before this, when you used to get the percentage on your report cards, so what you have to do, you would put the total marks and how many marks you have got, and you have to multiply it by 100. Yes. So you have to follow the same process here. Yeah. So see, 0, 0, 2 ones are and 2 fives are 10. So what is 5 times 5? Yes, it is 25%. So this, if this is my ratio 5 by 20, suppose there's a 20 mark paper and you have secured 5 marks only. So how much percent you get? You get 25%. Yeah. So this was all about how you can convert a ratio to a percentage and a percentage in a ratio. Understood? I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Let's do a quick example. So I have to convert this ratio into percentage. So I'll multiply it by 100. So this is 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So my answer is 20%. Yeah, got it? Perfect. Okay. Now this is something where, yeah, this is a link. I'll be sharing this link with you. Now this is something where you have to get the increase or decrease. Okay. Yeah. So this is the important formula you can see when you are supposed to find a percent change, like by how many it increased by or how many it decreased. So you have to get the new amount, whatever is increased or decreased, minus you have to do the original one and you have to divide it by original one. Okay, so this is the denominator is really very important. In the denominator, it should be the original one. Like for example, as I said previously, it was $5 and it increased to $10. Okay, so if I'm supposed to get the percent change, what is the new one? Yeah, the 10 is the new one. What is the original one? It's the 5 upon 5 and then you have to multiply it by 100. Okay, so this is the formula. If you are supposed to calculate a percentage change, you have to get the new one, whatever is decreased or increased, minus original upon original. Okay, so let's do a quick example on this. So what percent increase is this? Okay, so this is increase. So you'll write percentage increase is equals to, yeah. So what is the formula? New minus original whole divided by original into 100. Yes or no? Yes. So what is my new one? Like basically it was $5 and the new one is what? 7 exactly. So 7 minus 5 upon 5 into 100. So first you have to calculate this. So it's 2 minus 5 by 100. So now it comes, it is simply this part is nothing but ratio to percentage. So 5 ones are and 5 twos are. So your answer is nothing but 40%. Yes, so by how many percent it increased? It increased by 40%. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's do some more practice questions. Understanding students how it is going, ratio, percentage ratio, the conversions. Yeah. So what's the first question? Convert 25% into a ratio. Yeah. So you have 25% and you have to convert it into a ratio. So yeah. So you what you'll do? Exactly, you'll divide it by 100. So you know it's 1 by 4. So the ratio is nothing but 1 is to 4. Yeah. The second one, a quantity decreased from, yeah, see, it's decreasing from 90% to 75%. What what percent decrease is this? Yeah. So for this, what you have to do, what you have to find percentage decrease. Okay, so for percentage decrease, it is minus. So now you say that you can't minus 75 minus 90. So you're what you have to do, 90 minus 75. And what's the original one? 90. Yes, the base should be 90. into 100. Okay, so therefore 90 minus 75 is nothing but 15. Yes, 15 by 90 into 100. Yeah, so 15 ones are 15 six are. I think 2 threes are and 2 fifties are. Okay, so therefore you get a ratio 50 by 3, and when you divide it, I guess you get 16.67 percentage. Yeah, you can perform a division over here. See, 3 ones are 3, 2 remains. Then 3 eights are 16. Oh, wait. 3 six are 18. 3 six are 18. Then again 2 remains. So you get a decimal point. 3 six are again 18. So this is recurring. So like if you want to end, you can end writing 16.67 percentage. Yes or no, dear students? Yeah. So see, when there is a percent decrease, so you have to consider that you have to subtract. So you have to subtract the bigger number, the smaller number from the bigger number. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so this was all about just to revise you about the ratio percentage, because this is going to be really helpful for you when you will be solving more complicated problems in comparing quantities. Okay, I hope you have understood all the things what we did today. It was a very quick revision or recalling all the terms of ratio, percentage. Yeah, so in the next class, I'll come with a new topic. Yes, which will be helpful doing the comparing quantities part. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Thank you, dear students. Thank you. Have a good day ahead. Thank you. Bye.